Hi, welcome to my second video in getting started with data tracking. Okay, so in my previous one we created a Google Analytics account and we created a tracking ID number and we invited a developer, in the example's case was me, to the account so that I could set up anything further that was needed. We're now going to do the same in Google Tag Manager, and you might wonder, why are we doing it twice? Well, the answer is we need Google Analytics for its analytics. And we can't just use Google Analytics by itself. However, Google Tag Manager is a way of making it much easier to track exactly what's going on in the site, to add tags, to monitor button clicks or form submissions or movements around the site. And it enables the user, yourself, to easily add and remove tags to your website without actually having to use a developer to add new tags to the head of your site. You add one tag with Google Tag Manager, you connect it to your Google Analytics account, so it's doing the basic Google Analytics monitoring, and then when you're ready to do some more advanced data tracking, you can go into your Tag Manager dashboard on the Google Marketing Platform and you can make those amends and they will be pushed to your site automatically. So it's very useful for non-technical people to be able to add tags without editing code, basically. And it doesn't have to be Google tags. You could add your Facebook pixel, you can add your CRM tracking script, you can add your LinkedIn tracking script. I mean, there are many different scripts that you can add here. So let's get started. Basically, I was on the Google Marketing Platform here and I clicked Tag Manager. Okay. And for small businesses, there's plenty you can do for free. So I'm going to sign into Tag Manager. Okay, and as I'm already signed into Google Analytics, it kind of knows who I am. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create an account. Okay, so this is my company name, so I'm actually going to use the same as I used. I'm going to say demo tracking, let's say, and the country that you're in, and you're going to share data anonymously or not, that's up to you. And now we're going to continue. So we just create an account, very generic name. You can have a number of containers to this account, so I wouldn't necessarily tie it directly to your one domain. That will be for your container. So we continue, and we're going to set up the container. And this is where I would actually put in my domain that I'm interested in. So I'm going to demo account.com, and it's going to be for a web, because it could be for an app, or it could be for advanced mobile pages. But for today, we're just going to have it for a web, and we're going to create. And again, we're going to have to accept the data and conditions. I'm going to say yeah. Okay, and now it's going to overwhelm me. Oh my goodness, what do I do here? Well, like before, we need to invite your developer to set up, and they can set up that initial tag that goes on the website. And from that point onwards, you will then be master of your own domain, because that basic tag that goes on the website will manage anything that you do via this account. So I'm going to go to admin, and I'm going to go to user management, and I'm going to add a new, and I'm going to invite my developer, and they're going to be an admin. It's important that they're an admin because they can then create stuff that's needed, and if you don't want them anymore, they're easy to delete, so it's not a problem. And we're going to add, and what will happen is your developer, in this case me, will get an email inviting them to this account. And that's it. That's all you need to do now. And your developer will be in touch. If you're not sure and you need help, even if you haven't worked with me before, you're perfectly welcome to send me an email, invite me to your account, and then I will, just invite me to your account. I will get back to you and we can discuss what it is that you need help with. Okay, thank you.